I wanted to share the scented sachets. These are in the scent Fresh Linen, which I will use in my linen closet. And let's open them. They come in a 12 pack, and then they're individually wrapped. And let's open one. Oh, it smells so good, like soap. And here is a little hanger for them. That's gonna be so neat to hang. And you can hang it on your door, inside your closet, just like this, or like I will in my linen closet. And I think I'll use more than one because they smell so good, and I really want to enjoy that smell in my linen closet. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try. There are also different ideas on the back of the packet how to use it. And the one that I liked the most was putting it in a vacuum cleaner. If you have a vacuum cleaner with a bag, isn't that clever?